How to reset Samsung Internet privacy settings on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu button. Then tap on settings from the pop-up. Now in the Internet settings page, we go down and then tap on privacy dashboard. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on reset privacy settings. From the pop-up, it says all privacy settings will return to their default values. Cookies and browsing history won't be erased. Tap on the reset button to go ahead. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to your viewing web page, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.